Hey, it's Mike and We'll talk about the 9 limited trades on the NASDAQ on symbol NCTY. And this stock was up an incredible 73.95% up to 1489, and then continued to move after hours another 29% up to 1920. So you may be wondering what will cause the 9 limited to move up over 100% in one day. And it is because, boom, the 9 signed a legally binding corporation investment term sheet with cryptocurrencies mining investors led by Jinping Kong to start the cryptocurrencies business. All about cryptocurrencies. I'm gonna read a little bit from this press release, and then I want to talk about why this is something that's very important and something you should be made very aware of. So, the 9 Limited, an established internet company, today announced it's signed a legally binding corporation investment term sheet with several investors in the cryptocurrencies mining industry, led by Jinping Kong, the former director and co-chairman of Canaan, the first Bitcoin mining machine manufacturer listed on the NASDAQ. So basically, they're getting into cryptocurrencies. The stock popped. And this reminds me a lot of when I started investing in 98 and 99, when any company that put the word .com in their name would double and triple overnight, or any company that bought a .com company would double and triple. So the real play here is buy the Bitcoin miners. I'm going to do a video on Marathon Patent Group, Hive, Bit Digital, like anything involved in Bitcoin mining, they're going to get scooped up. And in particular, look at the trend that's going on in Asia right now. Asia is very much ahead of the curve when it comes to Bitcoin versus the United States and Europe. North Korea, it is known that they're mining Bitcoin. Iran is mining Bitcoin. They're in the Middle East. But what I'm trying to say is these Asian companies are going to be more proactive in acquiring Bitcoin miners. And I think that trend that's going to start in Asia is going to be more widespread in the United States and in Europe, where companies in the United States will say, hey, we need to add Bitcoin to our treasury, or hey, we need to go buy a Bitcoin miner. So I think all the Bitcoin miners are going to be takeover targets. They're going to be bid up aggressively. So I'm definitely, I like Marathon Patent Group. That's the one big Bitcoin miner I am in right now. And I just think the Bitcoin miners are going to be big, fat, juicy acquisition targets over the next 2 years. So I'm not doing this video necessarily say to invest in the 9 limited because it's already popped 100%. However, going forward, if you do get a pullback in the stock, this buying the 9 limited is like buying a Bitcoin miner, because now it's in partnership with one. But as Bitcoin begins to go up in price, as it passes 100,000, 200,000 per Bitcoin, all these Bitcoin miners are going to become super, super valuable as stocks and as takeover targets. So that's definitely something that you should keep in mind going forward. So definitely check out the 9 limited trades on the NASDAQ under symbol NCTY. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe to our notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.